I'm standing over 40 feet in the air, and this is day 3 of building this tree net. I'm going to be working on this wall again. First, I'm going to fill in this huge gap by tying a rope down from there up to right there. I cut a length of rope and tied it to both perimeter ropes. Now all I have to do is use these extensions right here to pull it tight to this. I tied off the extra length and added extensions anywhere it wasn't long enough. I'm going to add a length of rope from right there all the way across this to the other end I was just working on. Tied it off to that end, and I'm about halfway done now. And that is it complete. You can see it all the way through. This tree net is funded by you, the viewer. The more you like and follow, the more I can build. See ya.